In today's video, I'll walk you through how to withdraw funds from your account quickly and safely. The process is simple, but there are a few important steps you need to follow. So let's get started. First, open your app and tap on the account menu located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where all your account options are stored. Once you're inside the menu, tap on Manage Funds, and from there, select Withdraw Funds. The withdrawal page will open right away. Before you continue, the app will ask you to confirm your password. This is just a security step to make sure it's really you making the request. After entering your password, you'll be able to choose which account you want to withdraw from. Select the account, type in the amount you want to withdraw, and then continue to the next step. Now choose your preferred payment method. Once you've selected it, all you need to do is confirm your withdrawal request. The app will show you a final confirmation screen, and after approving it, your withdrawal is successfully submitted. Before you finish, there's something important you should know. You must have your two-factor authentication enabled before you're allowed to place a withdrawal request. This adds an extra layer of protection to your funds and keeps your account secure. One last note. Withdrawals can take up to 3 business days to process, so don't worry if it doesn't arrive instantly. It's completely normal, and that's it. You've just learned how to withdraw funds from your account step by step.